The most important AI breakthroughs of 2025 weren't announced in Silicon Valley. They happened right here in London last week, and they're about to change everything about how we work with artificial intelligence. Welcome back to Next Gen AI Hustle. I just got back from AI UK 2025 and my mind is completely blown. If you couldn't make it to the conference, you're in luck. I've compiled the most valuable insights, the biggest announcements, and the strategies that are about to reshape the AI landscape. In this video, I'm breaking down what actually matters from the event. Not the marketing hype, but the real innovations that will impact your career and business. Let's dive in. Let's start with the three biggest announcements that nobody saw coming. First, DeepMind's new framework for training specialized AI models using 70% less computing power. This is huge because it means smaller companies can now build custom AI solutions without massive infrastructure costs. Second, the UK government's £1.2 billion AI investment fund specifically targeting applications in healthcare and climate tech. If you're building in these spaces, I'll tell you exactly how to access this funding. Third, the breakthrough in multimodal reasoning that allows AI systems to understand context across text, images, and video simultaneously. This is what will power the next generation of AI assistants. Beyond the headlines, here are the practical techniques revealed at the conference that you can implement right now. 1. The parallel prompting method that improves AI outputs by up to 40% without any additional training. 2. The new fine-tuning approach that works effectively with just 100 examples instead of thousands. 3. The hybrid human-AI workflow framework that's being adopted by leading design and development teams. I've already tested these approaches in my own projects, and they absolutely work. I've put together a detailed guide on implementing these techniques, which you can download from the link in the description. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Three major shifts became clear at AI UK 2025. First, the era of general-purpose AI is evolving into industry-specific systems. Companies are no longer looking for AI generalists, they want specialists who understand both AI and their specific domain. Second, the line between developers and AI users is blurring faster than anyone predicted. The new generation of AI tools lets non-technical professionals build what previously required a team of engineers. Third, ethical AI is no longer optional. The EU's new regulations are reshaping how AI systems are developed, deployed, and monitored. If you're not building with these frameworks in mind, you're already behind. What you won't see in the official coverage is the real conversations happening after hours. I spoke with founders, researchers, and investors about where they're actually putting their time and money. The consensus? Specialized AI for enterprise applications is where the smart money is going. Consumer AI is flashy, but the real value is in systems that solve specific business problems. I also learned about 3 AI startups that almost nobody is talking about yet, but are solving massive problems in supply chain, financial compliance, and medical diagnostics. I've linked their websites below if you want to check them out before they blow up. I've compiled everything valuable from the conference into 3 resources for you. 1. A detailed PDF breaking down the technical innovations and how to implement them. 2. A curated list of the most impressive demos with links to try them yourself. 3. A guide to the AI skills that are most in demand right now, based on conversations with hiring managers at the conference. All of these are available through the link in the description. I spent 3 days filtering through the noise to bring you just what matters. AI UK 2025 made one thing crystal clear. The pace of innovation is accelerating, not slowing down. The gap between those who understand these technologies and those who don't is widening every day. But here's the good news. You don't have to attend every conference or read every paper to stay ahead. That's what this channel is for. I do the heavy lifting so you can focus on implementation. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, I'll be doing a deep dive into that new multimodal reasoning framework and showing you exactly how to use it in your projects. This is Next Gen AI Hustle, keeping you ahead of the curve, not just following it.